Item number 13.
13 I will continue.
For the seat reform.
See here, petitioner seeks to refund the employer's share along with income. Petitioner is the widow. Husband dated 31st of July 2005 and husband exercise option lots. That is
Executive payment.
P3 page 21.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities. No, look at the thing. Seeks permission to deposit the employer's share of CPF, contributory provident fund, amount with interest and additional interest to avail the benefit of family pension and disburse arrear of pension from 1st August 2005 till 17th May 2020, along with interest. The petitioner contains that her husband
And also family pension lordship from the next date of death of her husband.
late Gunadhar Ghoroi, was an assistant teacher of Lolit Mohan Primary School, District Howrah, and retired, full stop. The petitioner's husband retired from service on superannuation on 31st July 2005 and died on 17th May 2020. The petitioner's husband exercised his option under ROPA 1990 and ROPA 1998. Stop. The pension payment order was issued on 12th July 2005 without any pension or family pension. The petitioner seeks permission, seeks for necessary direction. For depositing the employer's share of contributory provident fund with interest and additional interest to avail the benefit of family pension. This was same. The fourth thing is same. Four same. Report nahi. 5. 5 turning. Learned advocate Mr. So-and-so, learned advocate appearing for the state respondents, leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. Okay, the same. Disposed of.
Item 15. 14. 14.
But I've got the petition.
DPSC.
Appeal pending. Cost issue involving the writ petition. The in-service teacher who obtained DLED course from 17-19 session, from which date they will entitle from A category scale, from the last date of examination or from the date of publication of the result or the date of issuance of the mark sheet. Number, I have been given A category pay scale from the date of issuance of the mark sheet. Now, this issue was taken up before a division bench of this honorable court. But this honorable court in the division bench,
Which is the other matter which you argued on this point, which is coming up?
ডিভিশন বেঞ্চে এখনো ইস্যু
না, না,
পেন্ডিং
disposed of
না
it.
ডিভিশন বেঞ্চে ডিসপোজ
পেন্ডিং কিছু
Now, the honorable division bench, after considering a decision of the NCTE, pleased to direct to grant A category pay scale. Your Lordship kindly come to paragraph 4
From the date of result.
from the date of result. Page 4, the last paragraph. In view thereof, the order passed by the learned single judge in respect are modified to the extent that the writ petitioner respondent number 1 in the respective appeal shall be granted A category pay scale with effect from the date of result declaration of DLED online examination held in March 2019. That is 22nd May 2019. But this is the issue.
These petitioners also appeared in March 2019.
Yes, yes.
Similarly circumcised.
Similar.
Hmm.
The one time has been given to the in service candidate through NIRS. If you also kindly come to page 16, my mark sheet, my certificate.
So when was the result declared?
Result declared on 22nd May 2019.
22nd May 2019.
But the mark sheet was given on different dates to different persons. In my case, mark sheet was certificate was given on 3rd June 2020.
Yes.
পড়ে আছি
Madam,
এখন
please, proposition is settled manner. There is no dispute regarding entitlement. Only issue Mr. Ghosh has pointed out that whether their entitlement comes from the date of publication of result or whatever madam, the division bench says, then kindly order accordingly.
Affidavit service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. The petitioner contains that he is joined as an assistant teacher
ইচ্ছা দরকার নেই আমি কথা বলছি
at Bagri Krishnanagar Primary School,
on the day.
comma,
না
Hamla Goda
ওটাও
Tarke,
লেটে
district Paschim Medinipur. Acha, by the present writ petition opore. Present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities, particularly respond number 5, for grant of A category scale of pay to the petitioner on and from
Dated 16th March. It should
16th March 2019, that is the last date of DLED final examination in terms of 209 is what? Writing
This
is a
is
notification.
the memorandum issued by the
In terms of memorandum being number 209-AC within bracket EE/PTTI-7/2011 dated 4th March 2013. Issued by Joint Secretary, School Education Department, Government of West Bengal. If you want to factor this. The petitioner completed DLED program for the session 2017 to 2019. Thus, the petitioner is entitled to A category scale of pay. Hence, this writ petition. Mr. Chittu Priyo Ghosh, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the issue as to from which date the petitioner will be entitled has been decided by the Honorable Division Bench in MAT 1522 of 2024. District Primary Council, School Council, Purvo Mednipur and another versus Chandan Kumar Maji and others, and other appeals. And it has been held that it will be from the date of declaration of results. He seeks that similar benefit be extended to petitioner in light of the decision of Honorable Division Bench. Learned advocate for the Mr. You are Basu appear for?
Well, I'm for the state respondent.
I am for the District Primary School Council, my lord.
Rajur C. Basu, learned advocate for the state respondents, as well as Mr. Franso, learned advocate, leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. The Honorable Division Bench, in respect of similar circumstance petitioners in MAT Chandan Kumar Maji Supra, has observed as follows in view thereof. Admittedly, the petitioner is similarly circumstanced as of the petitioners in the earlier writ petitions. In view of the order passed by the Honorable Division Bench, petitioner is entitled to petitioner shall be granted A category pay scale with effect from date of result declaration of DLED. It is online examination. Online examination held on 22nd. Held. No.
Result declared on 22nd May 2019.
2019.
It says that held in March 19. That
But examination was held in March. Result declared on 22nd May.
From the date of declaration of the results of DLED online examination held in the month of March 2019. And the arrears shall be paid to the petitioners by arrears, if any, by the end of January 2026.
March.
The writ petition disposed of.
Kindly grant me a leave. That similar matter, same point, same issue. But they are pending. If you also kindly grant me leave to come up tomorrow with the mentioning slip. Because it will take just 10 minutes and then also the 50 matters will be disposed of.
50. But not before this side of the vacation. After vacation, mention.
The same issue, the same order will govern. Only the lordship, the dates required to be changed. The name of the school and the name of the petitioners.
They are appearing in the monthly list.
No, man, it does not appear in the list. If you also kindly grant me, I came up
Ante bhabe? Same থাকলে ঠিক আছে. Coming week, you mentioned we'll list it in the coming week before vacation. We'll try to dispose of.
Only serve notice to us.
Yes, definitely.
Yes,
Definitely.
Only from the state as also the
Yes,
DPS.
well, came up to this.
I mean, Lordship has made any observation regarding payment of arrears salary or something like that? No.
Yes. By January.
No, my lord, this is. No, my lord has made certain observations regarding payment of arrears salary. That is not there, my lord. The prayer of the writ petition is restricted subject to your lordship's approval and correction regarding grant of A scale. So, my lord, can it be, my lord?
I have made it clear if any.
My lord.
If any. If they are entitled to, they will get that. Otherwise, not. But if any, to add go.
In this matter, I am for the petitioner, my lord. This is the epidemic service, my lord.
Lordship, I am for the state lordship. Lordship, I'm paying for 1 week time, lordship. I'm paying for not this week, lordship.
Well, matter is about the widow is before the lordship, my lord. Husband was the my head teacher who died prior to my lord, Act 1/4/1981.
Lordship, there is no record in this connection, lordship. Kindly come to the page 18, lordship.
Page 18.
Yes, Lordship. Annexure P3.
My record is lying with them.
Lordship, kindly come to the
No, 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 no.
হ্যাঁ 16,800 ঠিকই। ও বাবা
পাওয়া গেছে record?
Yes.
Lordship, kindly come to the page 18, Lordship. Lordship, Sub-Inspector of School, Lordship, gave certificate, Lordship, that this is to certify that Sri Bhavani Shankar Chakraborty, ex-teacher of Khondarapara Primary School under Noyagram 1 Circle, has passed away on 21st April 1970 while in service as per the certificate issued by the Pradhan of the concerned Gram Panchayat. Now, Lordship, kindly turn one page, Lordship. Previous page, Lordship. Page 17, Lordship. And kindly come to the last line, where Lordship Gram Panchayat is noted in his certificate, Lordship. আমি শুনেছি ও অবগত হয়েছি যে উনি খান্দারপাড়া প্রাথমিক বিদ্যালয়ের প্রধান শিক্ষক ছিলেন 1954 সাল থেকে 1970 সাল পর্যন্ত। ইহা আমার জ্ঞান ও বিশ্বাস মতে সত্য। Lordship, there is no record is available, Lordship. The SI is giving this certificate, Lordship, on the basis of the he said, Lordship, in his certificate that this certificate is being issued purely on the basis of the Pradhan certificate and the check register received from the Gopiballabhpur East Cycle. Only check registers 1 page is received, Lordship.
Well, can
In
you
this regard, Lordship, I am praying for not this week.
it is 20, my lord. Register, my lord. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This
Bhavani,
record should be needed, Lordship.
yes, record should be not a record is like we like them, my lord.
Lordship, here SI is clearly saying that
Affidavit of service filed on
there
behalf
is
of
no
the-
official record
My
available.
lord, this is certificate
This-
issued by he SI. He is also
Yes,
appearing for
where
SI.
he stated very clearly there is no official record available in this office regarding his service related
Affidavits of
documents.
service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record by the present writ petition. The petitioner seeks
Family pension, my lord.
for grant of
Family pension.
seeks direction upon the respondent authorities for grant of family pension in her favor. Mr. and so learned advocate for the state submits that there are no records available with the state respondents relating to the service of the husband of the petitioner. He seeks to file report. Let such report be filed by the state respondents within 2 weeks of reopening of the court after ensuing winter vacation. Reply, if any, be filed. Exception, if any, be
Lordship,
filed.
4 weeks may be given, Lordship, as a record is not available. 4 weeks may be given. 2 weeks is winter vacation, Lordship. During vacation,
3 weeks, 1 week.
ঠিক আছে।
Exception 1 week.
My lord.
Please this matter after 4 weeks of reopening. Advance copy or jata. 4 weeks after the winter vacation.
শুধু report, right?
হ্যাঁ শুধু
Also, you find out the register copy of the
Yes, yes,
register
yes.
photocopy he has given. So you also examine that.
Lordship.
Item 16. Well, in this matter, I am for the petitioner, my lord. Here the my lord prayer for the petitioner only for inclusion his name in the PPO, my lord. Kindly, this is my my lord affidavit service, my lord. husband of the petitioner was a primary teacher. He retired. My lord, kindly come annexure P1. Page 15, my lord.
What is the name of the employee?
Ratan Hasda, my lord.
Wife of Ratan. She is not getting the family pension.
No, not getting the final. Next page, my lord, death certificate of the husband of the petitioner.
Why? What is the reason?
My lord, he is not. He was getting pension. My husband was getting pension, but due to inadvertently, my name has not been included in the PPO as wife. My lord, kindly page 17, my lord. This is the legal access certificate issued by the my lord collector, my lord district Medinipur. Page 17, my lord.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the responding authorities for grant of family pension in her favor. Mr. So and so, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner is the wife of the deceased employee. However, due to inadvertence, her name has not been recorded in the
PPO, my lord.
pension payment order. The district magistrate, Jhargram, has issued legally a certificate to the extent that the PRE Hasta
My lord.
is the wife of the deceased. None appears on behalf of the state. You will appear? Mr. and so, learned advocate, who usually appears on behalf of the state, jata hai. Serve a copy.
My lord, my lord.
State respondent directed to Street Food.
My lord, kindly, my lord, to with all area, my lord.
Within 2 weeks of ensuing winter vacation. Exception if any filed 1 week, 3 weeks for.
My lord, kindly, my lord.
After 3 weeks of winter vacation.
My lord, kindly, one thing, my lord. My lord, district, my lord, kindly consider me, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, one progress has been, my lord, one mistake on my part, my lord. Kindly see the, my lord. This is the communication from the ends of the DI to the, my lord, to the Director of Pension Provident Fund and Group Insurance, my lord. This is, kindly pardon me, my lord, is my mistake. Already pension case has been, my lord, sent to the office of the, my lord, Director of Pension Provident Fund, Group Insurance. Kindly pardon me, my lord.
The family pension of the memo number ato. 99/2015 order.
And last line, I am request to you take care of, my lord, to take your kind attention for inclusion of the name of the appearing husband. Already
Yes.
DI has been sent, my lord.
They already report.
Who will take steps for this family?
My lord, now this is the step will be taken by the, my lord, Director of Pension Provident Fund at this stage, my lord.
Okay. He files a copy of the letter. He also indicates that the District Inspector of Schools Primary Education Jhargram has already sent a letter on 17 July 2025
Yes.
to the Director of Pension Provident Fund and Group Insurance Finance Department, Government of West Bengal, for including the name of the petitioner as family pensioner, being the wife of deceased employee late Ratan Hasta. Reserve kitten. State is directed to furnish a report on the returnable date. Released in the এক সপ্তাহ পরে ডেট দিন তো এটা।
আমাকে একটা ব্রিফ দাও এই আমাকে একটা ব্রিফ দিয়ে দাও
দিয়ে দেবো তুমি আমাকে।
He files a copy of the letter.
একটা
উপরে
phone number
petition
দাও।
files a copy of the letter dated 17th July 2021, which is taken on record.
ফোন নাম্বার
এক সপ্তাহ 13th January this is. File a report on the returnable date regarding the letter he has produced.
grateful my lord ফোন নাম্বার
Item 17. In this matter, I am for the on the writ petitioner, my lord. This is my evident service, my lord. My lord, this is the case on paying for family pension. Widow, my lord, daughter is before your lordship, my lord. The fa- My lord, kindly come to paragraph 3, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, the father was a primary teacher, and my lord, he is retired from service 31st December 1994, and subsequently PP was issued in his favor. And my lord, father died on 23rd June 2009, my lord. The husband of the petitioner also died 28 July 2008, and mother, after the death of the father, my lord, mother was getting my lord family pension. Subsequently, mother died in the my lord 10th April 2018, my lord. And in an identical matter, my lord, I got opportunity before lordship. This order will pass, my lord. I got an opportunity.
This for the state.
দিদি, আমি জানি জানো কবে দিয়ে দেবো আমি।
কত নম্বর এটা?
এটা 17।
You have made representation.
My lord, annexure P4. Page 19, my lord.
আসুন।
My lord, after completion of all formalities, my lord.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks for direction upon the respondent authorities for grant of family pension in her favor, including arrear family pension, if any. Petitioner contains that her father Madhusudan De, alias De, D-E-D-E-Y, was an approved teacher of Asurjeria Primary School under Raipur Circle, District Bankura. Stop. The petitioner's father retired from service on superannuation on 31st December 1994. Pension payment order was issued in favor of the petitioner's father. The father of the petitioner died on 23rd June 2009. After the demise of the petitioner's father, the mother was granted family pension. The mother of the petitioner died on 10th April 2018. The husband of the petitioner died on 28th July 2008.
Unmarried, no widow.
The petitioner being unmarried,
Widow, my lord. This is a widow daughter.
widowed daughter,
Income certificate.
made a representation. Which date? Made a representation before the
Annexure.
made a representation before
Director
the
of Pension Provident Fund.
Director of Pension Provident Fund,
November 2022, my lord.
West
Page
Bengal,
19.
for grant of family pension in her favor. Date হচ্ছে 22nd November 2022. However, no steps have been taken, hence this writ petition. Mr. Sujit Bhuiya, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that as per the government order under memo number 744-F within bracket pen dated 17 November 2008, a widowed daughter is entitled to get family pension. In support of his contention, he also relies on the decision of Special Bench, Honorable Special Bench passed in State of West Bengal and others versus Shobita Roy, MAT 1518 of 2019, along with other appeals and writ petitions. None appears on behalf of the state. Ms. So and so, learned advocate who usually appears on behalf of the state. Jathak. Learned advocate, Ms. So and so, learned advocate for the state respondent leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. Is 6 থেকে নিয়ে নেবেন। 6 থেকে onwards. 22 application, এই ডেটটা হচ্ছে 20 এখানে হয়েছে 22nd November 2024 বললাম না, page 19. লাগিয়ে দিলাম এটা 22. Within a period of 8 weeks from date of communication of this order, in the event the petitioner is found to be entitled to family pension, the pension payment order be issued in her favor, along with arrear family pension, comma, if any. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to respondent number. Director is respond number
4, my lord.
4. With the aforesaid direction, writ petition such and such disposed of, since no affidavit called for.
Extremely helpful.
দিলাম এই দাদা দিয়েছি দেখো
Item 3.
Item 3, my lord, I'm for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, this is that matter, my lord, if your lordship remembers, my lord. My lord, petitioner is a 88-year-old woman, my lord. She's claiming for family pension from 1993 after the death of her husband, my lord.
No.
My lord, there was, my lord,
Yes,
but
yes.
what has happened, my lord? My lord, petitioner has expired on 12th of December, my lord. My lord, my lord, if lordship grants me to leave to file a substitution application, my lord, can, my lord. And there was a report on the, my lord, there was a direction upon the district institute of school Nodia, my lord, to bring all the documents related to the, my lord, inquiry report.
You have?
Well, earlier person to earlier direction, my lord, the lordship filed the report. But
92.
আরে এগুলো তো ঘুমের থেকে উঠলে কেন টাকাটা পেলো, জিপিএফ টাকাটা নিয়ে নিয়েছে,
হ্যাঁ।
নেওয়ার পরে এবার ফাইল করলো দুটো বউ।
It further appears on the representative of the
এই কারণে
document names of petitioner mark.
কি করে দিলেন রিপোর্টে? ওটা দাও না দেখি।
দিচ্ছে।
Yes.
My lord, we are ready and willing to pay the pension. But granting pension, there are some formalities. According to the DCRB scheme, my lord, he was in the, my lord, GPF. Now he has contacted CPF. After the death, my lord, it has been detected that they have filed option. There are two criteria, my lord, for pension. One for the option and second from the return of the employer shares. The employer shares who has been divided in the provident fund, that should be returned. The
No,
petitioner,
this falls under he has given option.
admittedly, my lord, in the records it is not available. But regarding, my lord, that part, if you also condone that part, then next part will come, the amount, the additional, the provident fund amount, employer shares, along with the interest and additional interest. That part, my lord, they are not filed. They are not given. That should be deposited to the treasury in the treasury challan. Nowhere in the petition it has been made that we have given treasury challan. Or office there is no such treasury challan.
Then what about the report?
Report, my lord.
Report filed by the sub-inspector.
But that report, my lord, is not by the inquiry made by the DPSC.
No, there is a signature and it says that sub-inspector Kalyani Circle, page 37.
37. It appears from the report 37. I am a district primary school council Dodia. At that relevant point of time, due to element of the teacher concern, applied for premature retirement and for compulsory appointment. As per rule, if anybody applies for premature retirement, hearing and medical verification is required to be done. Accordingly, my lord, this report was prepared that whether he was medically fit. Thereafter, my lord, decision is required. My lord, in the present case, no decision has yet because my lord, there should be an end date of retirement. Otherwise, my lord, how the calculation would be made? My lord, first thing, it is not my lord, superannuation. My lord, retirement on the ground of medical ground. So, decision is required to be taken by any competent authority, and the petitioner being the legal heirs, they have to substantiate their case that on that day father was ill, ailing condition, could not join, and on the basis of the inquiry report, the entitlement of superannuation, date of superannuation is required to be fixed. Otherwise, refund of employees share would not be possible. So, I think my senior friend is appearing on behalf of the state. Only
We have
Commissioner of School Education only DI and District School Council. We have no records relating to 92 documents.
Okay.
Unless Commissioner of
Give a
School-
copy of this report to them.
I
Now
already
the
handed over.
petitioner has died. Who are the legal heirs?
My lord, she has a daughter, only one daughter.
Mr. Supriya Chattopadhyay Lanet. Achha, report filed by the state pursuant to
এত দেরি করে
the
তোমরা এতদিন ঘুমিয়েছিলি কেন? এতদিন ঘুমিয়েছিলি, ইচ্ছে পরে জাগলি না? টাকাটা নেওয়ার পরে ফাঁকি দিয়ে
9th December in terms of
দেখ, এই টাকাটা নেওয়ার
order
পরে
dated 9th December 2025 is taken on record, copy served.
পেনশনের জন্য ফুলফিল কর টাকাটা দে।
Sir.
আমি তো অপশনই নেই।
কে বলেছে? তুই তো-
Dipto Dasgupta, an advocate for the petitioner, submit that the petitioner has expired on which date?
My lord, died on
12 December 2025. This is to take appropriate steps for substitution.
চেষ্টা করছে চেষ্টা করছে বেশি ইয়ে করতে যাচ্ছে চেষ্টা
না না,
Is this matter?
বাবা,
2 weeks after.
স্ক্রু দেওয়ার মাস্টার।
এই সাবস্ক্রিপশন দে
না মানে only my submission might be recorded. Now, my learned friend will produce the TR challan because
Mr. Supriya Chattopadhyay, learned additional government pleader, submits that there are no available records with the office as to whether the deceased
Em-
employee has
deposit the employer cash.
deposited the employer's share of contributory provident fund together with interest and additional interest to treasury challan, which for which reason the family pension could not be disbursed in favor of the petitioner. On repeated persuasion, the petitioner has failed to produce the relevant documents. That is all. Is this matter? Mr. Dasgupta, we'll make it out of list for the time being after you file the application you mentioned.
Out of list with liberty to mention.
Yes, the matter to go out of list with liberty to mention.
Notice the Java.
And it is in.
I'm grateful for that.
Yes.
Item 4. Item 4, I'm asking for the petition. Before placing the issue before the lordship, my lord, I am relying upon a judgment passed by my lord, that's the lordship for God. On hundreds of matter I have done, it is a settled issue. I am placing the case. I am working in a Madhyamik Shikha Kendra. I am a teacher, man.
Working in?
In a Madhyamik Shikha Kendra. I am a teacher, man. Madhyamik Shikha Kendra is an education institution, my lord, imparting education up to class 8. Initially, these kind of institutions were governed by the Panchayat Department of Panchayat, my lord. At that material point of time, my retirement age was 65. Subsequently, my lord, in December 2019, state government brought a scheme for us that I have given two options. Either you can get retired at the age of 65, which is prevailing at the time of your appointment, or you may opt to get retired at the age of 60. If you opt to get retired at the age of 60, then you will be given the benefit of para-teacher. What para-teachers are getting, my lord? Para-teacher, now presently, my lord, para-teachers, there is no discrimination between the 60 or 65 teachers, my lord, because retirement benefits in both the cases are same. 5 lakhs they are getting. But in 2019, my lord, para-teachers are getting 3 lakhs as retirement benefit, and 65 teachers, my lord, those who opted for 65, they are getting 1 lakh as retirement benefit. And para-teachers are additionally getting, my lord, the EPF, my lord, Employees Provident Fund. My lord, I had opted to get retired at the age of 60, only for getting the benefit of para-teacher, my lord. And the state government issued a notification that those teachers who are opted to retire at the age of 60, the benefit of para-teacher will be given to them from December 2021. And I had opted. I had a belief that I will get the benefit of para-teacher, as because I opted to get retired at the age of 60 years, my lord, to get the benefit of para-teacher, my lord, from December 2021. My lord, several matters are moved before this honorable court with a prayer, my lord, that the state government did not, though it has stated by the state government that we shall give you the benefit from December 2021, the benefit of para-teacher, but the state government did not provided the benefit of para-teacher, my lord. Several matters I have moved before this honorable court. The state government did not providing and was not providing the benefit of para-teacher, so you cannot keep us with an expectation that in future we will get the benefit of para-teacher. At present, when you are not giving me the benefit of para-teacher, we will not accept the same. We want to revert back to the post of Samposarok in the instance to get the retired at the age of 65. My lord, more than 100 matters I have done. At that point of time, no benefit of para-teacher was given by the state government. Subsequently, my lord, on August 2024, state government issued a notification that we have failed to give you the benefit from December 2021. We are giving you the benefit of para-teacher. The benefit of para-teacher, whatever give was, what are the benefit of para-teacher will give to you from April 2024. And again, we have come before this honorable court. It was earlier due to your contention was
that you will give the benefit of para-teacher from December 2021. Now you are giving me the benefit of para-teacher from April 2024. So if that commitment was made by the state government at the initial stage, my lord, we should not come by leaving our 5 years of service. My lord, the matter was again, my lord, settled by this honorable court by passing an order that the state government has failed to give us the benefit of para-teacher from 2021 December. So we have the right to revert back to our earlier post and to get retired at the age of 65, my lord. This is a similar case, my lord. I am handed a copy of an order, my lord, passed by my Justice Rausi Bhardwaj. And the mandatory portion of the order is that, my lord, the option and the DCA form, my lord. This one, the data capture format was required to get the benefit of para-teacher, my lord. That should have been cancelled by the state government, by the mission director, my lord, being the respondent herein. And we have been given the benefit to revert back to Sampasarok and to work up to 65.
This will be option exercise.
I kindly come to the mandate portion. Lastly.
See
This is the contention only, my lord.
data capture form. Okay.
একটা কপি দাও
So while you are shifting from MSK to para teacher, you have to fill up a form.
This is data capture format, my lord. Because
Okay.
to get the
So what
benefit
will happen to that?
a data capture format is, it is required to create an account of EPF. Data capture format is a format, it is a pro forma, my lord, which is required to fill up by the candidate.
Okay.
To create an account, EPF account.
Since para teacher has a EPF.
My lord.
Okay.
So until my lord, option and this form is cancelled, my lord, I cannot revert back to my earlier position, my lord, and to get it at the age of 65, my lord.
Okay. Yes.
Lord, appearing for the mission director led by Muhammad Sarwajan. My lord, can may allow this order, my lord. We
Yes.
just allow the petitioners to from para teacher to Shoyik Shoyika.
A similar order can be passed by lords.
My lord, para
Affidavit
teacher to Shoyik Shoyika, my lord, and DC form should be cancelled.
No, I do not follow. What did you say?
My lord, we have no objection from the para teacher to revert back to para teacher to Shoyika. First, second thing is that, my lord, the DCA form should be cancelled. Third form is the Shoyik Shoyika, সম্প্রসারক he getting not any মানে qualification facility to the like a fair teacher, my lord.
So if it goes to the MSK,
Yes, my lord, my lord may allow.
the benefit of para teacher.
Yes, my lord may allow.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record by the present writ petition.
Brief
The petitioner seeks necessary direction upon the respondent authorities for allowing him to retain his status as Sompra Sorok / Sompra Sorika and get the benefit of continuation of his service as Sompra Sorok, Sompra Sorika up to the age of 65 years, which was the scheme for such appointment, and also for cancellation of data capture format within bracket DCA, which has been filled up by the petitioner for having the benefit of EPF scheme. The petitioner contends that he was engaged in Kollanpur Janakinath Madhyamik Shiksha Kendra as Samprasarok by the resolution of the managing committee of the said Madhyamik Shiksha Kendra. He joined along and joined on 12 November 2024. এই কি করে affected হবে এতে? But how you are affected by this notification since you have joined on 12th November 2020?
Transport, it is a transport post, my lord.
So when did you join?
Initially, my lord, the date of joining is not, my lord. That was, that was mentioned in the petition, my lord. Then prior to, my lord, 2009, the scheme for retirement at the age of 65 was brought in 2008, my lord.
It was issued by the principal. That when did you join? Where is your joining letter?
Now kindly come to page 26, my lord. That is the certificate issued by the district nodal officer, my lord, showing that I have opted to get retired at the age of 60, my lord. Page 26, my lord.
Joined in the year 2009.
Joining prior to, my lord, 2008, my lord.
Prior to 2008. কোথাও বললো না। আচ্ছা আসো দেখি। As per না 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 ওটা কেটে দিন।
একজনই রেসপন্ডেড আর নেই।
In terms of notification issued by the School Education Department, Elementary Education Branch, Government of West Bengal under memo number 979-EA/EE/10 capital M-164/19 dated 18th December 2019. It was notified that the Sahayak/Sahayika or Samprasarak/Samprasarika, etc., who are within age of 60 years may opt to the mission director, Paschim Bongo Rajya Shishu Shiksha Mission, through the district nodal officer, SSK/MSK of the concerned district, for treating them at par with para teachers of Paschim Bongo Samogra Shiksha Mission
রাজ্য শিশু শিক্ষা মিশন মাই লর্ড। হলো সমগ্র ছিল
under the School Education Department.
প্যারা টিচার হলো সমগ্র, প্যারা টিচারটা সমগ্র।
তোমাকে দেখো
দেখে না বাবু, সব জায়গায় প্যারা টিচারটা সমগ্র, বিশেষ কি প্যারা টিচারটা সমগ্র, আর প্রয়োগ সহায়িকার হচ্ছে তুই দেখ, তোরা প্যারা টিচার তোদের আনে না,
না ওটা নোডাল অফিসার ডিউটি।
প্যারা টিচারটা তো সমগ্র সমগ্র।
In pursuant to such notification, the petitioner opted to be para teacher and also filled up the DCF form
মানে অপশন অ্যাজ ওয়েল এস ডিসে ফর্মার।
and filled up the DCF form for getting Employees Provident Fund scheme. getting the benefit of EPF scheme. The petitioners have not been granted the benefit in terms of the aforesaid scheme with what was the first date with effect from
Initial date, my lord, kindly come to page
with effect from
my lord, 29, with effect from 1st of December 2021,
1st of December 2021.
page 29 at the bottom.
It has been notified vide memorandum dated 29th August 2024 that the benefit of EPF scheme will be extended from 1st April 2024. In the changed circumstances, the petitioner intends to revert back to his original employment as Samprasarak under the School Education Department, Government of West Bengal. With necessary consequential orders. Mr. So learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that since the petitioner has not got the benefit as per the scheme issued by the Government of West Bengal with its notification dated 18 December 2019, the petitioner intends to revert back as Samprasarak. In support of his contention, he relies on the decision of the coordinate bench passed in WPA 13660 of 2025, Mohammad Kaish Ajmal versus State of West Bengal. Learned advocate for the mission director, respondent number,
My lord.
mission director
Oh, no, sir.
leaves the matter to the discretion of the. It is found that the petitioner is similarly circumstanced as of the petitioner in WPA 13660 of 2025. In the said writ petition, following direction was issued. Therefore, এখান থেকে এত রকম এই দাগ দিয়ে দেব in view of the above, following directions are issued that the petitioner be treated as Samprasarak by not giving credence to the option exercised by the petitioner and the filled in form of DCF. The issuance of memorandum dated 29th August 2024 and subsequent steps taken by the petitioner in submitting DCF should not act as fatal so far as present petition is concerned to be treated as Samprasarak without giving credence to the option and filled in DCF which is submitted by the petitioner. The PBR, it is full form to দেখে নেবেন তো PBR SSM respond number
Sole respondent, my lord.
Respond number 1, my lord.
is directed to treat the petitioner as Samprasarak and the option as well as filled in DCF shall be treated as cancelled. It is clarified that In future, the petitioner cannot claim any benefit as para teacher. Disposed of.
Now, kindly add a sentence, my lord. The petitioner be allowed to work up to 65.
It is not necessary. Samprasarok, if it is the date of retirement is 65 or 70, whatever, you will get that.
Item 18.
My lord, I am for the petitioner. And I am for the state, my lord. My lord, the petitioner is claiming, my lord, interest on the, my lord, delayed payment of pensionary benefit, which should be given from 15 June 1990. My lord, I have corrected your lordship's order.
Well, is the employee?
No, my lord, he is the wife,
Why?
widow of the deceased teacher.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks for interest on the pensionary benefits, including arrear family pension, till the date of actual disbursement of the amount, together with interest. The petitioner contends that her husband was an approved assistant teacher of Bara Kumarda Primary School, post Chandanpur, district Purbo Medinipur, and he died in harness on 28 January 1970. The petitioner duly filled up the pension booklet and submitted the same before the appropriate authority. The gratuity and family pension, when
My lord, the PPU has been issued on
2012.
2012. 1st January 2012.
the
2nd January.
pension payment order has been issued on 2nd January 2012. The gratuity and arrear of pension was paid on which date?
No, just after the pension payment order, my lord.
On 30th April 2012.
30th.
Correct.
Yes.
The petitioner seeks for interest on delayed payment of gratuity and arrear family pension. Mr. Saurabh Mitra, learned advocate, appearing for the petitioner, seeks that there is delay in making payment of the gratuity and arrear pension, and as such the petitioner is entitled to interest on the aforesaid amount in terms of government notification dated number 2. Mr. Mitra, provide the number.
Number, my lord, present, my lord, I shall
Give the number.
Headmaster Manual,
15 June 1990. Headmaster's Manual, Volume 1.
Volume 2.
2. 8. Mr. So and so, learned advocate for the
Krishna Prasad.
state respondent, leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. It is not in dispute that the pensionary benefits have been disbursed in favor of the petitioner, being the widow of the deceased employee, on 2nd January 2012. On 30th April 2012. Hence, there is delay in number 10 into 163 ED and B. Hence, there is a delay in disbursement of the gratuity and arrear family pension.
It could be only area pension, my lord.
Arrear family pension.
Area family.
To the arrear family pension. Purpose of correction code. It is a bounden duty of the state to release the pension forthwith. Full stop. If it has failed to do so, it is obliged to pay interest on such amount. In view of the aforesaid, respondent number, director is?
My lord, respondent number 2.
2. Same.
And my lord,
And the fourth.
Respondent number 4. Treasury Officer Egra. 2 and 4.
2 and 4. ঠিক আছে? From 15 June till the date of actual payment of the area family pension. Petition is directed to learned advocate for the petition is directed to communicate this order to respond number 2 and 4. 2 and 3. 2 and 4 হবে,
2 and
2 and 4.
4. Disposed of.
My lord, the same matter here, my lord, the son of the deceased employee has come. My lord, I have corrected. Same matter from 15 June 1990. একটু দিন।
করে দেবে? দিন। Affidavit of survey. এটা এখানে করাই আছে এটা।
বলে দিন।
It is 2 and 3.
হুম।
Treasury officer is 3.
Treasury officer is 3.
3.
Treasury
Same
officer
order
Egra.
হবে।
এখানে 2 and 3 my lord in this case. 2 and 3.
3.
3.
Okay. 2 and 3.
My lord,
Same
the
one.
in spite of service, nobody is appearing for the state.
Oh, you will appear.
My lord.
Despite service, none appears on behalf of the state. Mr. So and so, learned advocate, who usually appears on behalf of the. Yeah. He leaves the matter to the discretion of the dispose.
Great.
Yes. By the present writ, you are for the state?
Yes.
By the present writ, affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner
Neelam Singh.
seeks for interest on delayed payment of gratuity and arrear pension from the date of effect of ROPA 2019 till the date of actual payment of the gratuity and arrear pension. The petitioner contains that he her husband, late Aggodhar Mahato, was a primary teacher of Tunga Thuya Primary School under Sakrail Circle, District Jhargram. The petitioner's husband retired from service on superannuation on 28th February 2016. The full stop, the husband of the petitioner died on 17th June 2017. Pension payment order was issued on which date? 9th February 2016, and revised pension payment order was issued on 11th July 2022. একটা হচ্ছে 9th February 2016, একটা হচ্ছে 11th July. The gratuity and arrear pension has been released in favor of the petitioner on 13th July 2022. However, no interest has been paid. Hence this writ petition. Ms. Wansul, an advocate for the petitioner, seeks for interest on delayed payment of gratuity and arrear pension. From the date of effect of ROPA 2019 till actual payment. Miss Mansoor, learned advocate, appearing for the state, leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. It is contended that the gratuity in arrear pension was released in favor of the petitioner on 13 July 2022. In respect of ROPA 2019, which has been given effect from 14th মনে হচ্ছে 14th February 2020. And there is a delay in payment of the gratuity in arrear pension. It is a bound in duty or according. Accordingly, para করে interest. Respondent number, director is respond number 3 and 4. Treasury officer 3, Jhargram.
1971 না
বাকিটা সেম আমি আগের মতো এটা হবে from 14th February 2020 till the date of actual payment. Disposed of.
understood 21 টার্ম দিয়ে
21. I am for the petition.
দাবি থেকে না
I am for the petitioner, my lord. Interested gratuity.
From which date?
None appears, my lord.
From which date?
Return, my lord, 31st January 2019.
No, it will be from the date the ROPA was given effect to, as of the last application.
Yes.
You have not stated in the prayer. It
Page
will be
11,
14th.
revised PPO, my lord, page 11.
No, it will be from 14th February 2020.
Yes, my lord.
You have not written in your prayer. Which date?
Prayer is Yes, multiple lega. Yes, my lord, page 7.
No, date of effect. Yes. Same. Oh, change your as per the affidavit service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record by the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondent authorities for interest on delayed payment of gratuity and arrear pension as per ROPA 2019, together with interest from the date of effect of ROPA 2019 till the actual payment of the arrears of the gratuity and arrear pension. The petitioner contends that he retired from service on superannuation on 31st January 2019 as primary head teacher of Dangada Primary School under Rohini Circle District, Paschim Medinipur. The pension payment order was issued on 2nd May 2019. And the revised pension payment order was issued on 11th January 2021. The gratuity and arrear pension was released on 15th April 2021. However, no interest has been paid, hence this writ petition. Mr. Ansel, learned advocate for the petitioner, seeks for the release of interest amount on gratuity, on delayed payment of gratuity and arrear pension as per ROPA 2019. None appears on behalf of the state. Mr. Swansur Somik De, learned advocate who usually appears on behalf of the state, is requested to appear in this matter. Let the appointment of Mr. De be regularized by the concerned authority. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to serve a copy of the writ petition along with its annexure to Mr. Swansur, learned advocate for the state. Para, Mr. Swansur, learned advocate for the state, leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. It is found that, para, from the contention in the writ petition, it is found that the gratuity and arrear pension as per ROPA 2019 was released on 15th April 2021. Hence, there is delay in disbursement of the same. It is bounden duty of the state to disburse the retirement benefits, pension and retirement benefits forthwith, failing which the employee is entitled to interest on the delayed payment. Accordingly, respondent number, director is 3. 2. Director of Pension, Provident Fund and Group Insurance, and respondent number 4, Treasury Officer Jhargram, is directed to disburse interest on the gratuity and arrear pension at the rate of 8% per annum from the date of effect of ROPA 2019, that is 14th February 2020, till the actual payment of the arrear amount. Disposed.
Grateful.
22. My lord, in this matter, I am for the petitioner. My lord, matter is about the refund of overdue amount, my lord. My lord, petitioner is a retired teacher who retired from his service 31st March 2025, my lord. And just before his retirement, one memo was issued for refund of sum of rupees 65,824, my lord. Kindly come to page 3, paragraph 4 and 5, my lord.
Yes.
Thereafter, my through treasury challenge, I, my lord, deposited the amount, and thereafter, my lord, PPO has been sanctioned. At present, I am receiving the pension, my lord. But kindly come to my annexure P1, my lord. Page 15, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, Badal Chandra Mollik, Langamara Primary School, my lord, refund amount 65,824. My lord, next page. It is just before my retirement. Next page, annexure P2. Through treasury challenge, this amount has been deposited. My lord, well, that is deposited in the 22nd August 2022, my lord. It is stated paragraph number 6, also the annexure P2, my lord.
25.
My lord. 22. 22nd August 2022.
Much before your retirement.
March before, just before. I have returned from March, 2025, my lord.
In 22, this has.
Just a few months ago, my lord.
What few months ago? 3 years ago.
My lord.
It's 31st March 2025.
My lord.
It is well within time.
My lord, this is 31st March 2025. My next page is my PPO.
This is against which, under which head this is overdrawn?
My lord, there is no, my lord, kindly see, there is annexure P1. There is the period of excess amount. The amount that has been fixed, but entire, my lord, pay was fixed by the authority.
Who is for the state?
Just in the morning, my lord, lordship was pleased with item number 9. Perhaps my case is at par with my item number 9, my lord. I was present in the court. Item number 9, my lord. Concerning the Rafiq Masih judgment, my lord. Lordship pleased with
No. Not Rafiq Masih will not apply in your case. This is much prior to your retirement. That was a case where he retired and thereafter the overdrawn was raised.
Right.
Now, whether it is under which head this has been directed to be refunded, this report has to be
My
called.
lord, kindly page 15, my lord. Serial number 1, Badal Chandra Molli. This is only, my lord, mentioning period for which excess amount is drawn.
If it's correct, then why it will be refunded?
An entire pay was
Then
fixed
come
by
up
the
with
authority.
affidavit service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. Mr. Sujit Bhuiya, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner was directed to refund an overdrawal of salary amounting to rupees 65824 for the period from 1st August 2019 to 30th April 2022. The pension payment order was not issued to the petitioner till he deposited the said amount. There is no legality in asking the petitioner to refund the aforesaid amount. He seeks for appropriate direction. None appears on behalf of the state. You appear.
Yeah.
File a report.
No, my lord, I am in pen, my lord, I am not.
Yes.
No, my lord, I am not coming from GP this matter, my lord. I am just
Then who is for the state?
on appear.
Who will appear? You will appear. You will appear for the state. File a report. Huh?
In this matter, I am not engaged.
I will engage you. None appears on behalf of the state. Mr. So and so, learned advocate, who usually appears on behalf of the state, is requested to appear in this matter. Give a copy.
Give some time to bring the report.
Yes.
Report in the form of affidavit.
File a report. That will be sufficient.
Slip down now. Slip.
কি বললাম?
Item number টা বলো।
Let the appointment be regularized by the concerned authority. Learned advocate for the petition is directed to hand over a copy of the writ petition along with its annexures to Mr. So and so, learned advocate for the
এটা
state.
বলো এটা। WPA
Let
কত?
the report be filed by the state respondent within a period of 2 weeks.
Your Lordship, 3 weeks.
Within a period of 2 weeks
In
after.
coming weeks, Lordship.
Within a period of 2 weeks after the ensuing winter vacation. Reply if any filed within a week, list this matter after 3 weeks.
Lordship, a copy should be handed over.
I said.
Item 23.
Assembly is full.
এই রিপিটিশন নাম্বারটা বলো একটু। নাম্বারটা বলো না একটু।
Yes.
Alert 23, I am for the petition.
19,000
Alert matter relates to Malot. Petitioner is seeking Malot interest on arrear pension and delayed payment of gratuity. Malot, the petitioner was the accountant of District Primary School Council, retired on
Hey, the bike.
31st of January 2023. If Malot will come to page 14, the PPO. Yes, 14, Malot. The PPO was issued on 18 December 2023. And Malot, the very first Malot row shows the date of retirement.
Date of retirement 31st January 2023.
Yes.
Malota has got it. Malota, and the PPO was issued on 18 December 2023. And I retired on 31st January 2023. And Malota, kindly come to page 16.
He retired on 31st January.
January 2023. And the PPO was issued in the same year, December 2023.
Okay.
And Malota, if Malota will come to page 16. And
Bank statement.
banks.
Bank statement. Yes, 7 lakhs.
Related paragraphs, Malota, I am.
1st January 2024.
Yes. And averment with regard to Malot issuance of PPO is paragraph 6. And disbursal of the arrear pension and the gratuity.
E-pension 2023. Yes.
Yes. I checked.
It will be from which date? From date?
Malot, it is from the date of retirement, that is 31st of January 2023 till 4th of January 2024. That is page 11 of the prayer.
From the next date of retirement.
Yes. Following the next date of retirement till disbursal.
Ashwin, by the affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks direction upon the respondents to disburse the interest towards delayed payment of gratuity amount and arrear pension from the date following the date of retirement till the date of actual payment of the gratuity amount and arrear pension. The petitioner contends that he which school?
Malot, it is the petitioner is an accountant of District Primary School Council.
Retired as
Paragraph 2.
an accountant at Murshidabad District
Primary
School Council on 31st January 2023. The pension payment order was issued on 18 December 2023. Stop. gratuity and arrear pension amount for the period commencing from the next date of his retirement. Gratuity and arrear pension amount has been disbursed on 4th January 2024. However, no interest on delayed payment has been made. Hence this writ petition. Mr. Abhishek Prasad, learned advocate, appearing for the petitioner, seeks for appropriate direction upon the respondent authorities for disbursement of interest on delayed payment of gratuity and arrear pension. Mr. So-and-so, learned advocate, leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. Discretion of the court. It is found from the contention in the writ petition that the pension payment order was issued on 18th December 2023. Sorry, the employee retired on 31st January 2023 and the pension payment order was issued on 18th December 2023 and the amount has been disbursed on 1st January 2024. Considering the aforesaid, it is found that there is delay in payment of gratuity and arrear pension. It is the bounden duty of state to disburse the pension and retirement benefits forthwith to the employee. In the event of failure, the petitioner the employee is entitled to interest on delayed payment. Accordingly, director is
My lord,
respond number 2, Director of Pension Provident Fund and Group Insurance, and respond number 4, Treasury Officer Baharampur 1 Treasury is directed to disburse interest on gratuity and arrear pension at the rate of 8% per annum from the date following the date of retirement of the employee till the date of actual payment of the gratuity and arrear pension. Learned advocate for the petitioner is directed to communicate this order to respondent number 3, 2 and 4 for necessary compliance. Designation to the other one, 2 years.
I'm grateful to your lordship.
Since no affidavits have been called for, the allegations made in the writ petition deemed to be not admitted.
My lord,
Disposed of.
APTB service be taken on.
Yes.
Time for the statement.
Item number 13 was here. Widow seeks to refund the employer with interest to avail the pension lordship. Husband died in harness in the year 89.
Yes. You are for the state?
Yes, my lord.
In paragraph 2, I have stated prisoner has been rendering more than 17 years of service, but it will be 7 years of service.
7 years.
Yes.
Second. Determination ছিল same line. এটা সেকেন্ডারি ডিটারমিনেশন আছে
না না প্রাইমারি
এই তো
প্রাইমারি
নো
প্রাইমারি স্কুল
দেখো তো
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record. By the present writ petition, the petitioner seeks permission to deposit the employer's share of contributory provident fund amount with interest and additional interest on behalf of her husband and for grant of family pension along with arrears if any. আচ্ছা ওই and to grant বললাম না and to grant হ্যাঁ ওইখানে and এর আগে করুন in order to avail the benefit of family pension and disburse arrears if any. ঠিক আছে? Petitioner contains that her husband joined as assistant teacher of Mahabodpur Primary School, District Malda on 30th April 1982 and died in harness on 8th November 1989. But then how the husband will be entitled to?
Wife, husband, case is covered under OPA 90 lordship.
How
OPA 19 giving effect from 1/1/86. And husband died in harness 89.
but then what will be the effect if he does not complete 10 years of qualifying service?
I have stated 7 years.
For 7 years.
After 1 year lordship, family pension will be entitled.
Hmm? The
What
widow will
pension?
be entitled to
10
pension.
years.
Hmm? Widow will be entitled to pension, family
Yes,
pension,
family pension lordship.
if the husband does not qualify for pension.
Yes, lordship. For pension, it is required for 10 years, lordship, and family pension for 1 year. After 1 year of service, if employee died in harness, lordship, then family pension
Can
will
you
be
show the
paid to the.
Can you show the notification?
Yes, 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 lordship. That is mentioned in the scheme.
Being apology, my lord, interacting, my lord. I will tell my lord after this matter, my lord. Oh, nice stuff.
আমি আজকে একটা রং ডিপ নিয়ে এসেছি যেন অসুবিধা হচ্ছে বলতে। এই তো, 23
23.
23, that's it. Then 23, lord. No, no.
আসুন the Janine Harney, the petitioner's husband rendered service of 7 years. Stop. The petitioner's husband is covered under ROPA 1990. The petitioner seeks to refund the employer's share of contributory provident fund in order to avail the benefit of pension. আচ্ছা ওইটার আগে বলুন the scale of petitioner's husband was revised and the same was approved by the concerned DI, District Inspector of Schools, under ROPA 1990. তারপর ওই এমপ্লয়ার্স শেয়ারটা জমা করো Miss so learned advocate appearing for the petitioner submits that as per the stated proposition of law, phrase option is not necessary and the petitioner be permitted to deposit the employer's share of contributory provident fund in order to avail the benefit of family pension. She also indicates that the petitioner is entitled to family pension since the deceased employee has completed more than 1 year of service. Advocate for the state. Yes, ma'am.
মহুয়া দত্ত বিশ্বাস
Leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. এটা না এই যে ডিরেকশনটা আছে এটা একটু জেনে নেবেন এর কাছ থেকে গৌতম বাবু বা এ কোথায় গেল নন্দী আসেনি আজ অমিতাভ আসে হ্যাঁ সুরিত বাবু গৌতম বাবু কেউ ডিসপোজ অফ
গ্রেটফুল মাই লর্ড
My lord, paying apology to inter, my lord. Item number 22, my lord, for the state, my lord, I am usually appear by the allotted by the landed government pleader, my lord. I'm engaged in the other court, my lord, and singly I am appearing, so I failed to appear on time. That
who appeared
my lord,
who was appointed
I heard that somebody appointed, my lord.
Ubendu Sengupta.
Ubendu Sengupta.
Already
is there
he has gone.
Since my learned friend was not present, you will not be
Appointed,
another learned advocate, my lord.
he has been appointed
Usually appear for
Usually.
what to do
yes, my lord.
what to do
কোন গ্রুপে আছে?
I'm group C, my lord.
okay you have 4:30 you have time you get Mr. Sengupta ask him to come both of you come I change the order
Grateful.
Hmm?
25, my lord. I am for the petitioner. This is the affidavit of service. My lord, petitioner is the, my lord, unmarried daughter of the
Yes.
deceased employee. My lord, petitioner is paying interest for the area pension.
from which date
From, my lord, date of death, that is on and from, my lord, 2017, 3rd September 2017. That is the, my lord, my father, my lord, expired. My lord, I have corrected.
he died in harness
No, my lord, after retired, then direct to the retired from service on 30th November 2006
Hmm.
and my lord expired on 3rd September 2017.
yes retired on 30th November expired on no it's 6th September 2021
6th September to 2021. So my lord, on and from 7th September 2021 to my lord, PPO has been issued, that is on page 11. I am paying only interest.
petitioner's mother was appointed
Yes.
yes 1st September 17 mother died
Petitioner mother was an assistant teacher.
she is the only daughter
She is the only daughter.
her name is there in the PPO
Mane only daughter, unmarried daughter. Yes, her name is there. Kindly have a look.
Ketoki
Yes, Ketoki Mahapatra, my lord.
family pension has been granted in her favor
Only I am paying interest.
affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record who will appear
স্টে টাইম এখানে মধ্যে
by the present writ petition the petitioner seeks for
দাদার ডেটটা দেবো।
seeks direction upon the responding authorities for disbursement of interest on arrear of pension amount,
Area family pension.
arrear family pension amount from the date of entitlement till the date of actual payment together with interest. The petitioner contends that her mother was an approved assistant teacher of Uttar Gorbari Atak Primary School
Primary school.
and retired from service on superannuation on 30th November 2006. The petitioner's mother expired on 3rd September 2017. Stop. The father of the petitioner expired on 6th September 2021. The petitioner is the unmarried daughter of deceased teacher. And as per the government circular dated 13th April 2010, in terms of that notification,
Yes.
she was granted family pension. The arrear of pension has also been received by the petitioner. On which date?
My lord, on PPO issued on 28th May 2025.
20th May 2025. However, no interest has been paid on such delayed amount. The petitioner, hence this writ petition. Mr. Saurabh Mitra, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner being an unmarried daughter is entitled to receive the interest on arrear family pension amount from the which date, Mr. Mitra?
My lord, on 6th September 2021. That is the date of death of my PPO. Your lordship, kindly have a look. Page
Father.
7th September 2021. In the bottom. From 7th September 2021.
No, the father has expired on 6th September 21.
Yes, in the next date I am entitled.
From the date following the date of death of the father.
My
Learned advocate for the state. You are appointed or
Yes,
you are appointed?
yes,
GP
no, my lord.
No.
GP
None appears on behalf of the state. Miss, give your name and so learned advocate who usually
Yes,
appears on.
ma'am.
He leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. In view of the contention raised in the petition, respond number 2, so and so, director, and respond number 3, 8% per annum in favor of the petitioner by way of on and from her this is wrongly written as of September 2017 around from 7th September 2021.
This is 7th September 2021.
2021
Correct.
till the actual payment of the arrear amount. Learned advocate for the petition is directed to communicate this order to respond number 2 and 3
2 and 3.
for necessary compliance. Wait, date take to take in. Mr. Mitra, date of disbursement. Yes, date of disbursement has been stated in which paragraph?
My lord, আগে তো দাও।
You did to cater them.
Para 10, my lord, 16th June 2025.
16th June 2025. ठीक है. Mr. Sengupta,
Yes, yes.
your brother has come lately.
Yes, yes.
So Let him continue. Report has been called for in that item, so you follow the order.
I will come back with my report,
Okay.
my lord. And my, so I'm giving the my name, my lord.
Yes, give the name.
Yes, I'm
Give the
giving
name. Thank you, Mr. Sinbal. Thank you.
22.
আইটেম বলে লিখে দেন।
হ্যাঁ, সব করে দিচ্ছি।
26 my lord, I am for the petitioner. This is also interest of area family pension of unmarried daughter. Is the affidavit of service and I have corrected. Petitioner father was an assistant teacher of a primary school who retired from service 31st January 1981 and expired on 29th May 2028. Petitioner's mother also expired on 6th January 2015. My lord,
Petition is it? Unmarried daughter.
unmarried daughter. My lord, I am entitled to get interest from 7th January 2015. 6th January, my lord, date of date. I have to order
7 January 2015.
20.
Can madam? It is same away. Earlier was unmarried daughter.
Earlier to unmarried chilo. Unmarried, yes, unmarried.
That is same away. Okay.
My lord, let me take the corrected copy again, my lord, from the date of report.
Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petition taken on record by the present writ petition same. The petitioner contains that the father, her father was approved assistant teacher of Lalpur Maktab Primary School, Bhagwanpur, district, Purbo
My
Medinipur.
lord, I am not the state, I am appearing on behalf of state, as your lordship kindly consent. Kartik Chandra
The
Kapas.
petitioner's father retired from service on superannuation on 31st January 1981. Stop. The petitioner's father expired on 29th May 1988. Stop. The mother of the petitioner expired on 6th January 2015. The petitioner is an unmarried daughter of late Mohesh Das,
Number 2 লিখে দিন।
the deceased employee, the deceased employee. The petitioner, being an unmarried daughter, claimed family pension in terms of circular dated 13th April 2010.
Yes.
And stop. The pension payment order was issued in favor of the petitioner on
29th May 2025.
29th May 2025. The gratuity and area pension or
Only area pension, area family
the
pension.
area family pension has already been disbursed in favor of the petitioner. On which date?
From my lord 7th January 2000.
No. Which date this has been received?
Received. Received.
16 June. 16 June.
16 June 2000.
16 June. However, no interest has been paid on the delayed amount. Hence this writ petition. Stop there. Hence this writ petition. Mr. Saurabh Mitra, same submission. None appears on behalf of the state. Mr.
Kartik
Swanso.
Chandra Kapas.
যেটা থাকে ওটা ওই সার্ভিস করবে সার্ভিস কপি and it regularized. He leaves the matter to the discretion of the court. বাকি direction same. From এটা হবে from 7th. Which date, Mr.
6th January 2015. Date of the mother.
Following the date of death.
Following the
7 January 2015.
Yes.
Till the date of actual payment.
Great to my lord.
27 my lord, I am for the petitioner. This is the
My lord,
affidavit of service.
27, Mr. Tapan Kumar Rai, the state. He informed me, but not today.
Okay. On the prayer of learned advocate for the accommodation is sought for on behalf of Mr. Tapan Kumar Roy.
Tapan Kumar Rai.
Tapan Kumar Roy. Please this matter on next week. This is matter after 1 week.
Okay.
1 week after the 1 week में Monday তে আসবে
Next Monday.
Monthly list.
1 week.
Next Monday, my lord.
Next Monday, this will happen.
28, my lord, I am for the petition.
I'm for the statement.
This is same, only the widow daughter has come, my lord. That mean it, affidavit of service and product. This her father was an approved assistant teacher who died in harness on 13th March 1979. Mother also expired in 2007. Well, I am entitled to get on and from 10th January 9th January 2000.
9.
29th November 2007.
My petitioner's mother
His widow daughter.
died in the year 2007.
So it will be from 10th August 1994.
My lord, kindly have the PPO, page 10. My lord, in other cases, I am entitled to get on and from the following date of death. But in the bottom, your lordship will find I am entitled to get from 10th January 2008. In the bottom, my lord, middle
Page 10.
Page 10, PPO. Your lordship got it, my lord, on my lord, column 9 in the bottom position.
Yes.
In the bottom position from 10th January 2008. Your lordship got it, my lord?
Yes, yes.
Because this is not from the following date of death. Because the circular came on my lord, on 10th January. 10th January 2008, this circular has came up that the widow daughter are entitled to get. That is why, my lord, pension has been granted, a family pension from 10th January 2008. So I am entitled to get interest not before that.
Okay.
Only on and from 10th January 2008. In case of widow daughter.
Ashwin. Yes.
My lord, kindly come to the PPO, my lord.
Any corrected order?
But there is no dispute regarding the ADR pension. Only the dispute is regarding interest. Here, there is no mention what is the amount of pension, ADR pension they received, from what date. Nothing has been described in the
Find out.
writ
We
petition.
find out whatever be the arrear pension he has received, on such amount he will get the interest.
31st July 2025, I received.
Okay. Affidavit of service filed on behalf of the petitioner is taken on record by the present petition. The petitioner seeks for interest on এটা প্যারাগ্রাফটা বলছি না এখানে যা আছে তাই next paragraph the petitioner contains that her father was an approved assistant teacher of Birulia number 1 comma primary school এই কমাটা হবে না Birulia number 1 primary school comma post Birulia district Purbo Medinipur. The petitioner's father died in harness on 13th March 1979. The mother of the petitioner expired on 29th November 2007. Stop. The husband of the petitioner expired on 9th August 1994. The petitioner is a widowed daughter of deceased employee, namely Upendranath Giri. The petitioner has been granted family pension in terms of circular dated 10th January 2008. Vide pension payment order dated 4th July 2025. 4th July 2025?
Yes,
The arrear of family pension has been disbursed in favor of the petitioner on 31st July 2025. The petitioner seeks for interest on delayed payment of the arrear amount. Mr. Saurabh Mitro, learned advocate for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner is entitled to the arrear pension. Sorry. interest from the date of circular, that is 10 January 2008. Same. Mr. So and so learned advocate appearing for the state submits that the petitioner has not mentioned the area of family pension received by her. বাকিটা same. 9 থেকে same. ওটা 29 না?
My lord, I am item number 35 is an old my lord, petitioner is my lord aged person. If your lordship, my lord, I will grieve a notice. If your lordship, my lord, kindly fix tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
Not tomorrow.
Anytime. Tomorrow I know, my lord, tomorrow is a transfer matter, but today, my lord, certain fixed matters. হোক না, Thursday.
29 আজকে কত দিয়ে এলাম?
35, my lord, 35 is.
So on the next day it will be on 7th item is there.
7th item, my lord, maybe new matters that comes up because old, so I, my lord, mentioned this matter, my lord. Day after tomorrow, if your lordship, my lord, I have already, my lord, served your lordship's order, my lord. It's
What is he asking for?
my lord, a pension, family pension.
Oh. What is your age?
Age, my lord, 78, 79 years of age.
আচ্ছা।
No, I'm leaving out
On-
your lordship, my lord. If it is not taken up, my lord, that is why, my lord,
Please mention on Friday.
as your lordship.
On the coming week in the pension, when the days are fixed for pension matters, we can upgrade that and take it up.
As your lordship. As
On Friday you mentioned.
your lordship.